Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're learning how to calculate the hypotenuse of a right triangle using JavaScript. We'll apply the Pythagorean theorem to build a simple yet powerful function. Let us explore how to do this with clear and easy code. The Pythagorean theorem connects the sides of any right triangle. If you know A and B, you can always calculate C using this formula. This is widely used in geometry, graphics programming, and real-world measurements. Now, let's see how we can turn this formula into code. Here's the full function to calculate the hypotenuse. We first check if both inputs are numbers, returning false if they're not. Then we square each leg, sum them, and take the square root using math square root. The result is the length of the hypotenuse as required by the theorem. The function begins by checking the type of the inputs. We square each leg using the simple multiplication, then add those together. Next, we call math square root on the sum to get the hypotenuse. That's the entire Pythagorean formula coded in just a few lines. Let's look at two examples in detail. For 2 and 4, we square both to get 4 and 16, sum them to 20, and then the square root gives us 4.47. For 3 and 4, we get 9 and 16, sum to 25, and square root gives exactly 5. This shows how the formula works precisely with any valid inputs. This formula isn't just for math class. It is used in games, graphics, and engineering apps. Whether you need to find the distance between the 2 points on a grid using the Pythagorean theorem. It also powers collision detection in 2D environments. It is one of the most fundamental tools in programming and math. This wraps up our look at the Pythagorean theorem in JavaScript. We've learned how to safely check inputs and apply the formula with built-in math functions. This is a simple yet powerful tool for any geometry or graphics tasks. And I understand it's pronounced Pythagoras. I prefer Pythagorean. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.